let's make one more pattern, that is 49. That is 49. That is again same the diamond shape of the about two patterns. Right. Okay. Same. First we do the program for the first part. Then we make the program for what second part. Okay. Second part. This is the pattern 49. Right. So input of enter n number of rows. Then so first let's make pattern for the above one. The above one. So j 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time, no time, right? So first write the I 1 n plus 1, that's all. Then the j loop, the j loop all of observe. So first time 4 times coming, right? So starting 1 n plus 1 minus I. Let us try now. So n means what? 5. So 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 5. 5 before 4. So 4 times what displays here? Space display. One space only. That's why n equal to take like this. Then what about the k here? What about the k here? First time 1 time k trade. Second time 2 times. Then 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Starting 1. Then I plus 1. I plus 1. Correct. Then print of each time what is displaying current I value displaying, right? Current I value displaying, that's all. Then let's take the empty print here. We'll give the 5, right? It's the first one. Okay, so execution flow wise or that iterations wise, when I value 1, then j iterating how many times here? 4 times, means 4 times space coming, and k iterating only 1 time, that one displaying. When I value 2, then j iterating 3 times, means 3 spaces coming, and k iterating 2 times 1 2. So 2 times current I value what? 2, the 2 displaying. When I value 3, then j iterating so 2 times 2 spaces coming, k iterating 3 times the 3 times what is coming? Current I value. When I value 4, then j iterating 1 time, and k iterating how many times here? K iterating 4 times. Those 4 times what is displaying? Current I value 4. When I value 5, then j iterations, no iterations, then k how many times iterating? 5 times. Those 4 times of what displaying here? I value 5, right? So first part over. Then second part is for I in again range of. So in the second part, j first time 0, next 1, next 2, next 3, like that. Okay, range of. So first time no iterations, second time 1 iteration, third time 2 iterations, like that. Then print of space, empty space here. Then again for k in range of, first time 5 times iterating, next 4 times iterating, 3 times iterating, okay, 2 times iterating, like this. In that case here, so I take the starting one and first 5 times 4 times, right? N plus 2 minus I, then print of what displaying every time? Displaying what every time here? So first 5 for means n plus 1 minus I displaying. Let us try now. So we take the empty printer. Let's give the 5. Yes, the same, guys. Right. So that's fine. Now let's see how it's working here. So the first part over second part, whenever I value 1, then J, how many times here? Here no iterations, that means no space. And K, how many times iterating now? 5 times iterating. Those 5 times also, what is displaying here? So n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 displaying 5 times. These 5 times are displaying value 5 displaying. Next, when I value 2 here, then J iterating only one time, means one space coming. Then here how many times? 4 iterations. Those 4 iterations, what is displaying? 4 displaying, because 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. The 4 displaying 4 times. 4 displaying 4 times. Next, when I value 3, then J displaying 2 times, means space coming 2 times. And K, how many times here? 3 times. Means what is the value printing here? 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. The 3 displaying 3 times. Okay. When I value 4, then J iterating 3 times. 3 spaces coming, and K, how many times coming here? K 2 times only. Those 2 times, what is displaying? So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. 2 displaying this 2 times. When I value 5, then J iterating 4 times, means 4 spaces coming, and K iterating only one time. One time was what displaying? 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 5, 1. So that 1 printing. Okay, all of you. So this is the which one? Okay, this one pattern of 49, guys, right?